Hey everybody, it's Carol. How are you? Today, I want to welcome you into my Etsy store. I'm going to show you all my creations. I have been doing Etsy for several years, and my Etsy store is made up of all things that I've put together. A cute little charm bracelets, charm necklaces, and what I do is I buy things that aren't even charms and I turn them into charms, and I just redesign a lot of things. A lot of ordinary things that you would just see as an ordinary piece, I turn it into something very cute. So, if you're interested, keep on watching. This is my rubber link 3 perfume bottle bracelet. It's adorable, has 4 crystals and 3 bottles of perfume. Then we have this little bag purse to hang it on your purse. You can use it for change. It is so sweet. It's a little backpack. This one is a blue llama, a blue perfume bottle with a blue rose and a crystal on a beaded chain. This is the perfect little gift to give to the birthday girl. Comes in all sorted colors. It's a frosted piping bag and a birthday cake on a beaded chain. And it comes in purple, red, pink, blue. This is a Hello Kitty, Oreo, and a gummy bear and a crystal on a beaded chain necklace. This one is a white chocolate, a chocolate and vanilla ice cream cone, a Starbucks coffee cup, and a crystal on a beaded chain. This is in memory of someone who you love that's not with us. It's an angel's wing, a gorgeous Swarovski crystal, a little silver heart on a beautiful silver chain, and I wear it in honor of my sister and my father who have passed. Here we have yellow chocolate, a little yellow duck, and a little Hello Kitty. Now we have popcorn and chocolate on a yellow chain. It's very cute. This one is adorable. It's a pink rubber bracelet with a pink double C charm. It's a very special necklace. These charms can't be found anywhere, and if you can find them, let me know. But this little hand mirror, this LV letter, and this crystal is so cute, and I put it on a beaded chain. This I made myself. It is a cotton candy charm, and it was made from scratch. The pink cotton ball and a little cone on the bottom. It is adorable. If you've ever lost a pet that is special to your heart, here is an opal angel wing with a silver bone, a silver wing, and a crystal on a beautiful chain with a beautiful heart lobster claw. I make these for a lot of people that have lost their pets. Here we have a fun gold tone necklace with a lock, a little gift box, an adorable chair with a little rhinestone charm holder. This is a blue necklace, all blue, with the double C's. They're very original. You won't see them everywhere. Triple scoop ice cream, Hello Kitty, a yellow ducky, and a crystal on a heart lobster claw on a beaded chain. We have a gold tone necklace, very elegant, with a gold locket. It's such a cute little popcorn necklace with gummy bears and little rubber duckies. This is a beauty. It's a larger locket with a key on a gold tone necklace. And here we have a perfume bottle. We have a gift box, a turquoise gift box, and blue crown. This is called the lemon drop. These are the soda tab necklaces. They're very tiny, but they make a statement. And they have little crystals on them. They're beautiful. This is a triple perfume necklace. This one has the evil eye and a locket and a Swarovski crystal, and you could put it on the charm holder. Ice cream sprinkles, makeup brushes, so cute. Multicolored charm bracelets. You pick which color you want. And a beautiful orange one. They are so cute. It's a statement bracelet. And then look at these. This is made from a real bag, this charm. This is a key ring coil. I have a little teddy bear on there, a little heart, and a lobster claw with rhinestones. And you could just wear it like that. You could hang anything you want on it. This is a real lemon drop necklace. It's all yellow. It's a gorgeous, stunning yellow lemon drop. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my Etsy store. I add things all the time. I also add lots of goodies to every purchase. And I put in magnetic closures for the necklaces so it's much easier for you to close your necklace, because I have a hard time putting on a few necklaces and without having to open up the lobster claw and just connecting it with a magnet. It's perfect. So one side has a lobster claw, and that gets connected to the part on your necklace that has the round ring. And then the other side has a plain round ring, and that gets connected to the lobster claw on your necklace. Okay, so here is a sample of the magnetic closures. I have it on a pink ceramic necklace, and you just pull it apart, and then it grabs. Pull it apart, and then there you go. See how it grabs? It stays on your neck perfect. It is the easiest way to pile on a few necklaces when you're ready to go out the door. Boom. Boop. So you'll be getting that with every necklace. And if a bracelet needs it, you'll be getting that with it too. Plus, if you have kids and you buy any kids things, I throw in a lot of cute things for them. And that's it. It's just a hobby of mine. I like to create in any way possible. So I'm so glad you came by. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great week. Love you.